Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm going to show you how to make keto shrimp salad. Tender cooked shrimp tossed with chopped veggies all dressed up in a creamy mayo dressing. And the best part is that this shrimp salad is ready in 15 minutes tops. Set up your timers and let's start cooking. Melt the butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp in a single layer and season with sea salt and ground pepper. Cook for no more than 2 minutes per side or until pink and opaque. Set aside and allow the shrimp to cool. Next, add all the dressing ingredients to a salad bowl and stir well to combine. Set aside. We still got some good 10 minutes to chop all the veggies for the salad. Chop the red onion, avocado, celery and dill. Add all of them to the bowl with the dressing. Add in the cooked shrimp. Toss well to get everything nicely coated with the creamy dressing. I love shrimp and I love it even more in this combo. It's a must try, you guys. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time.